Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda again. Rivet here. Today we're on the second week, the installment of Rufus Teague's Cano Q series. Today we're doing Tank 7 barbecue sauce. And what is Tank 7? Tank 7 is Boulevard Brewing Company's, an outfit out of Kansas City, Missouri, with their Tank 7 beer. It's American Saison. Now, saison is a French word that means season, and a saison beer is a Belgian Farmhouse Ale. It's brewed in late winter, it's aged 3 months, and it's made to be drunk in summer. This is an American type. Why is it called Tank 7? Well, because from what I understand, when they designed that, the brewers, they started fermenting and brewing it in tank number 7, and they referred to it as Tank 7, and it stuck. So there we go. Now Rufus Teague partnered with them, and he's got this barbecue sauce that bills itself herbal, rich and peppery, and it utilizes Tank 7 in it. So let's start out by tasting the beer. Alright, here we go. Beautiful head, looks thick and frothy and creamy. Now this saison beer does have sediment in it, so it promises to be tasty, although I've tasted it before. Alright, it's got a good nice color, golden, weedy. Let's give it a try. Very thick head here. Very crisp. I can see why this should be drunk in summer. Crisp and refreshing, but it's got a mouthful. It's a mouthfeel. Very tasty. Reminds me of a hefe weizen, actually. That yeasty hoppiness. Very good beer. Highly recommended. Got an ABV of 8.5%. Pretty stout. Beautiful beer. Let's go ahead and try the sauce. Alright, so we got the sauce in here. Very nice and rich and thick. It's got a real good smell to it. It's got spicy and floral notes in it. So let's go ahead and taste it. Never tried it before. Woo! Peppery is right. Herbal, rich and peppery. Yeah, man. There's a lot of black pepper flavor in there, but herbal is right. There's a lot of herbs flavor in there, but in a good way. Good way. Very rich. It's sweet and got a little bit of tang to it. Very good sauce. Okay, so we're going to barbecue some chicken leg quarters on there. Join me and we'll do a tasting. Alright, the Tank 7 chicken is done. Let's go ahead and plate it up and taste it. Alright, let's slice it up. It is smelling absolutely fantastic. I just cooked it over charcoal, no wood, with a little salt and pepper on it prior to saucing. Oh my goodness. Oh, brother, that is good. Okay, this sauce is nice. I can taste the pepper and the herbs in it from the peppery herbal label on the can. You know, we tasted earlier. Yeah. All right. I can't taste any of the Tank 7 beer in there, but the label claim on the Rufus Teague's barbecue sauce is spot on. That is really, really good. Wow. Yeah. I accidentally decided to make chicken but this sauce is perfect for chicken. Yeah, match made in heaven. Very good, people. Wow. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.